Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you've been enjoying your new fiction books. If you're anything like me, as you've been reading, you've probably been asking yourself all sorts of questions like, what's going on here? Or what's going to happen next? Well, today I thought we could think more about these questions that we're trying to solve. So today I want to teach you that a fiction reader, one of the most important questions they ask, one of the most important mysteries they try and solve is the mystery of the character. They ask themselves, who is this character? Or they ask, what kind of person is he or she? They even try and solve the mystery of why is he or she acting this way? So I thought it might be fun to go back to what we were thinking about when we were reading our mysteries. And we use this chart, how to find hidden clues, when we were thinking about our characters. So let's think a little bit. Can we use this chart to help us in fiction? Are you looking with me? Okay. Well, I don't think red herring clues is going to work. But I think the other ones could be really helpful tips for finding hidden clues about the character. Let's see if we can try this, thinking about the book that we read, Hair Love. Maybe you even watched the video of it too. So I'm thinking back, and I'm going to try and solve the mystery of the character. Who is the character? And what kind of person is she? Why is she acting this way? Let's go back and let's look at a few scenes. Okay, today I woke up extra early all by myself. All by myself. I was too excited to sleep. It's a big day. All by myself. Okay, Daddy was still sleeping. Shh, I said to Rocky as we tiptoed past him. Lately, Daddy has been worn out. That's interesting. Lately, Daddy has been worn out. Like, not just today he's been worn out, but like for a while. I wonder if that detail could be connected to It's a Big Day and being excited. Okay. He makes breakfast, takes her to school, they go to work, picks her up, and yesterday they went for a bike ride. I think he needs a break. So it seems like this girl and her dad have been spending a lot of time together, just the two of them. And then Dad seems really tired. And then let's look at this picture from the end of the book. That's the mom, and she has a suitcase behind her. So it seems like, well, people take a suitcase if they're going away for a while. And she's wearing a scarf on her head. Going away for a while. You know, sometimes people wear a scarf on their head for all different reasons. But I wonder if the suitcase and the scarf are connected about being away for a while. Welcome home, Mom. And your hair is beautiful, Zuri. Who did it? I looked at Daddy and beamed. Okay, so let's think. Who is the character? Well, I found out on this page, right? Her name is Zuri. Okay. What kind of person is Zuri? Well, she seems pretty excited, right? Because today is such a big day. Her mom's coming home. Okay, so she's Zuri. She's excited. Why is it such a big deal? Why is today such a big deal? Well, it seems like Mom's coming home after a really long time. I know sometimes people wear scarves on their heads if they've been sick for a while and have lost their hair. I'm wondering, maybe Mom was sick and away for a long time, like trying to get better. That's not the only reason people wear scarves, but I wonder if the scarf and the suitcase are connected. Okay, so let me see if I can capture that. I think Zuri's excited today because her mom is finally coming home. It seems like Mom maybe was sick, and that's why Dad was taking care of Zuri all by himself. And I think Zuri just wants her hair to be just right on this special day. Do you see how we did that? We went on the hunt for hidden clues to really think more about this character. We tried to figure out, who is she? What kind of person is she? And even, why is she acting this way? Okay, will you do some thinking about your books? Think about the fiction books you're reading. Who is your main character? Do you have any thoughts on what kind of person he or she is? Maybe can even start to answer the question, why is he or she acting this way? Perhaps some of these tips about hidden clues, ways to find hidden clues about the characters, can help you answer those questions. So let's go back to all of our fiction strategies to remind ourselves, because of course you're going to be thinking about your character, but you might have other things that you need to do too. Like maybe you'll do some predicting. Maybe you'll pause to do some retelling, or maybe you'll take action because something's going to get tricky today and you want to be a strong reader who does take action. Maybe you'll be paying attention to the mind work of your book, when to slow down and when to speed up. Readers, I know you're going to have a great day of reading, so you're going to want to capture your best thoughts. It could be through writing, it could be through sketching, it could be through talk, but find a way to hold on to your best work. Are you ready? Off you go.